Hello, my name is Kelly Applegate, and I'm a counselor here at Fishers High School. I'm here to talk to you today about how to calculate your GPA. The easiest way to obtain your GPA is to email your counselor for a copy of your transcript or stop by the guidance office. Otherwise, you can calculate your GPA by using your historical grades on Skyward. If you decide to calculate your GPA using Skyward, please follow these steps. Step number 1. Log into Skyward and view your grades. Step number 2. Use the FHS grading scale to transfer each one of your grades into point values. Add your point values together. Next, divide this total by the number of credits attempted. Each class you complete is worth 1 credit. Step number 3. Some courses are weighted, which means they are worth more points. To calculate the GPA of weighted courses, use the scale above to multiply the number of courses taken by these points, and then divide by the total numbers of semesters taken. Add this number to your current GPA. Here's an example. Jane Doe is a sophomore at FHS. She's been at FHS for a year and a half, so she has completed 3 academic semesters. Here are her grades. The first step for calculating Jane's GPA is transferring her grades to point values using the FHS scale and then adding up these points. Once we add up all of her points, we divide that total by the total number of credits Jane has completed. In this case, Jane's unweighted GPA is 3.13. For Jane's weighted GPA, we need to add in extra points. Jane has taken 3 honors classes and 1 AP class. She hasn't taken any IB classes. To calculate her weighted GPA, first we multiply 0.096 by 3 to get the total for her honors weighted points, and we multiply 0.143 by 1 to get the total for her AP IB weighted points. Together, the sum of these two figures is 0.431. Next, we divide 0.431 by the number of semesters Jane has completed in high school, which is 3. Finally, we add this number to her unweighted GPA in order to calculate her weighted GPA. To summarize, follow these steps. 1. Log into Skyward to view your grades. 2. Transfer your letter grades into point values using the FHS scale. 3. For your unweighted GPA, divide your total point value by the number of credits you've completed. Number 4, for your weighted GPA, multiply the number of honors classes you've completed by 0.096 and the number of AP, IB, or other double-weighted classes you've completed by 0.143. Add these two answers. Number 5, divide this sum by the number of semesters you've completed. And step 6, add this sum to your unweighted GPA. The sum is your weighted GPA. Thank you.